Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a significant change in how we interact with Mongoose, the powerful ODM for MongoDB in Node.js. If you've been using Mongoose for a while, you're probably familiar with passing a callback function as the last argument to operations like save or find. Well, Mongoose has stopped accepting callbacks for some of its core functions in newer versions, and understanding this shift is crucial for writing modern, maintainable JavaScript. This isn't just a minor update, it's a fundamental change that aligns Mongoose with contemporary JavaScript asynchronous patterns, primarily promises and async/await. First, let's understand what exactly changed and why. In Mongoose version 6 and especially 7, many methods that traditionally accepted a callback, such as model.save, model.find, model.findById, model.updateMany, model.deleteOne, and others, no longer support that callback argument. When you try to pass one, Mongoose might throw an error or simply ignore it, leading to unexpected behavior. The main reason for this change is the evolution of JavaScript itself. Callbacks, while functional, often led to what developers call callback hell or pyramid of doom, where nested asynchronous operations made code incredibly difficult to read, debug, and maintain. Promises emerged as a cleaner solution for handling asynchronous operations, providing a more structured way to chain operations and handle errors. Building upon promises, the async/await syntax then revolutionized asynchronous JavaScript, making it feel almost synchronous and significantly improving readability. Mongoose, being a modern library, naturally embraced these patterns to offer developers a better experience and encourage best practices. So, how does this affect you in your code? If you're working with a newer Mongoose version, especially 7.x onwards, and your existing code still relies on callbacks, it will likely break. The good news is that adapting is straightforward, as Mongoose methods have always returned a promise. There are two primary ways to handle asynchronous operations now, both relying on promises. The first method is using .then and .catch. Instead of model.find, function, air, docs, you would now write model.find, .then, docs equals, catch, air equals. This approach clearly separates the success and error handling logic, making your code much cleaner than deeply nested callbacks. The .then block executes when the operation succeeds, receiving the result, while the .catch block handles any errors that occur during the operation. This is a significant improvement in error propagation and handling. The second and often preferred method, especially in modern JavaScript, is using async/await. This syntax makes asynchronous code look and feel synchronous, which drastically improves readability. To use async/await, your Mongoose operations must be inside an async function. For example, instead of the callback or .then approach, you would write async function get_documents, try, const docs equals await model.find, // do something with docs, catch, air, // handle error. Here, the await keyword pauses the execution of the async function until the promise returned by model.find resolves. If the promise rejects, an error occurs, the catch block handles it. This pattern significantly reduces boilerplate and makes complex asynchronous flows much easier to reason about. It's concise, powerful, and the recommended way to work with Mongoose and other promise-based APIs. In summary, Mongoose's move away from callbacks is a positive step towards more robust, readable, and maintainable asynchronous code. It encourages developers to adopt modern JavaScript patterns, making your applications more resilient and easier to scale. While it requires a small adjustment if you're used to callbacks, the benefits of embracing promises and async/await are immense. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this explanation helps you navigate the changes in Mongoose and empowers you to write better asynchronous JavaScript. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button, share it with your fellow developers, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot to us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.